Sir.
Honorable teachers and my all dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to explain about importance of women's education, and I hope that you all will listen me carefully. Education is precious wealth. Everybody wealth, male or female, about to take education. The community gets prosperous because of education in any nation. Men and women are two wheels of a chariot, and without one of them, other cannot survive. According to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, every man and woman should get education. If mother is educated, her children be also educated. The old man said that the life of mother is like a school of a child. Most of the time, a child is spent with mother, and our impact on children behavior. An educated mother take care of her child very wisely. She makes the children so obedient, thoughtful that in the future they grow themselves to be an asset of nation. Certain people are of the mind that they do not educate women or send them to religious institute. True mother gives the child religious as well as academic education to the child. After this period, I finish my speech. Khuda Hafiz.
माशाल्लाह.
बहुत अच्छे